In this video, we are looking at the Kefine Clean, their latest IM. Let's open it up. It's a single DD IM priced at $50 only. They are saying that this is a much better value for money IM than the competing IMs, but we will see how this one performs. This one do come with two tuning nozzles, and I'm not exactly sure how they affect the sound or anything, but we will definitely see in the initial impression. Clean, Klean, just like their brand name that starts with K. It looks nice. This back plate, if you guys can see, looks decent. No issues with the looks or anything like that. Aesthetically, this one is looking nice. We are getting a 10 mm dynamic driver, clean driver size 10 mm. We are getting an impedance of 32 ohm, which is slightly on the higher side for budget IM, and sensitivity is fairly high, no issues there at all. And we are getting 3.5 mm single-ended cable. Let's open it up. I am expecting good quality accessories from this IM because Kefine has uh, a reputation of providing good quality cases and decent quality ear tips with their IMs. So I'm not expecting anything uh, bad from them. So that is a good thing. When you pay $50, you get a good quality carry case most of the time, and this time too we are not being disappointed at all. Unlike KZ, yeah, KZ do provide a lot of drivers in their IMs, but a carrying solution is a vital part of the accessory, I feel. And if you look at the cable too, this is a very good looking cable, most probably SPC, if not anything else. Extra tuning nozzle, just a single set of tips. So yeah, it is okay. This is a $50 IM. One should not be expecting a lot from a $50 IM. Good looking cable, good looking cable, not bad at all. Let's have a look at the earpieces. This house 10 mm dynamic driver, but they are slightly on the larger side. I'm not exactly sure how this larger body affecting the stage or anything, but they are slightly on the larger side. You guys can see slightly larger, around an inch, maybe 23 22 mm, so slightly on the larger side. And you guys can see this back plate looks nice, very good. And we are getting a vent here. This tool looks nice, no issues with the uh, aesthetic or appeal or anything like that. I'm not uh, concerned about the comfort either, so this one is looking nice. I'll include the initial impression within this video. So this is it. This is the unboxing of Kefine Clean. I would like to start by apologizing to you guys about my voice. It's not been the best. I have caught cold, and yeah, it's slightly rough at this point of time for my voice, obviously. But in any case, this is the initial impression of the Kefine Clean, and I must say that it has been getting very easy to get a lot of high quality IMs in the $50 price range. It's like the IM market is evolving in the lower end rapidly, and this is one of the biggest example of that. Before this, I was considering the ZS12 Pro X as the best $50 you can spend on an IM at this point of time, but Kefine Clean with its 10 mm DLC dynamic driver
is just outperforming the KZ-ZS12 Pro X. And see, KZ-ZS12 Pro X is not a old IM, that is four 3 4 months old, and this single DDIM is just on a different level, and I will tell you where. Before that, let's have a look at the cable, and I find this cable to be much better than the KZ ones. It is not memory prone. You guys can see it barely has any memory issues, and this is a lot more supple, less bouncy, and a very good cable for a $50 IM, just $50. And you get a decent carry case too. This IM does not fight with the case while being inside, and that is a good thing. You can easily put this IM inside that case. And let me sorry guys, let me be clear about the sound signature of this IM. This is a V-shaped IM. Okay, usually V-shaped IMs do not score a lot of points in my point of view, but this IM is something different. It has one of the biggest stage for just $50. It has a huge stage, and its imaging is just in a different level, and that is where I am highly impressed with this IM. And one of the best thing about this IM is that it does not lag anywhere until unless you go up till the upper treble region. That is where there is slightly less forward. It does not lag anywhere. It does not lag with sub bass, mid bass, or anything. It has very good definition and clarity. While the mid range is slightly in the V, it is not lacking any resolution or definition. So for just $50, we are getting a well rounded, highly resolving, textured IM, nicely textured IM. So this is a very good IM at just $50. You will not go wrong with this, and this is the initial impression. I have burned it in for couple of days, not more than that, and I am expecting it to open up a bit more, and we will see how this IM compares against the ZS12 Pro X. So this is it. This is the initial sound impression, and the whole impression on the Kefine Clean. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching.